See, factors on which resistance depends. Factors on which resistance depends. Any factors you know about resistance? It
Length,
is
area.
directly proportional to length. R is proportional to length. It is inversely proportional to area. It depends upon nature of material. 4. It depends upon temperature. Just copy 4 point. Therefore, R proportional to L by A. So R is rho L by A, where rho is a constant called as specific resistance. Or resistivity. Written this much?
Yes, sir.
Define specific resistance. Since R is rho L by A, thus if L equal to 1 meter, A equals to 1 meter square, then R is same as rho. Thus, specific resistance can be defined as the specific resistance can be defined as resistance of conductor having unit length and unit area of cross section. Its SI unit is ohm meter. Right. Resistance is ohm, area is meter square. So ohm meter square upon meter, meter will get cancelled. So ohm meter.
Yes, sir.
Now very important one part will come. When wire is stretched, then how the resistance will behave. Are you knowing when wire is stretched, what is relation of resistance with length, area and radius? One numerical or one MCQ fix on this topic. When wire is stretched, what is same when wire is stretched? Is the volume same when wire is stretched?
Yes, sir.
That means if this is original volume A1, length L1, when you stretch it, then it will become thin, but volume will remain same. So this may become area and this will become length, but volume is same, first and second. So I can say area of first into length is A2L2. So A1 upon A2 will be L2 by L1. Now R is rho L by A. So can I say R1 upon R2 is L1 upon L2 into A2 by A1? Can we say like this? If I convert this into length, then A2 upon A1 will be L1 by L2. That means L1 upon L2 the whole square. That is R is proportional to L square when wire is stretched. Or you can say R1 upon R2 is A2 by A1 into A2 by A1. Okay, please copy this much. Where I have given planar till when?
Sunday.
Okay. R1 upon R2 can be written as A2 upon A1 the whole square, or R proportional A raised to minus 2. R1 upon R2, this is pi R2 square upon pi R1 square raised to 2. So R2 upon R1 raised to 4. So there are three possibilities when wire is stretched. R1 upon R2 is L1 upon L2 square, that is R proportional to L square, or R1 upon R2 is A2 upon A1 raised to minus 2, or R proportional A raised to minus 2, or R proportional to radius raised to minus 4. Written?
Yes, sir.
Temperature dependence of resistance. Let R0 comma RT be the resistances at 0 degree Celsius and T degree Celsius respectively. It is found that increase in resistance, that is RT minus R0, is directly proportional to its original resistance R0. Second, directly proportional to its rise in temperature, delta theta. So you can say increase in resistance RT minus R0 is directly proportional to original resistance into rise in temperature, delta T I wrote. Copy this two lines again. Temperature dependence.
Yes.
Okay. So RT minus R0 is directly proportional to original resistance and rise in temperature. So RT minus R0 equals to some constant into R0 delta T, where alpha is a constant called as temperature coefficient of resistance. Therefore, alpha is RT minus R0 upon R0 delta T. Let's copy the last line. Thus, alpha can also be written as dr upon dt into 1 upon R0. That means change in radius with resistance with respect to temperature into 1 upon R0. Its SI unit is Kelvin raised to -1. And RT is R0 1 plus alpha delta T. So this is formula for temperature dependence. Return.
Yes.
Okay. Color code. Do you know color code to determine resistance? Color, its code multiplier of 10 raised to n tolerance. So you have to remember like this. B, I'm writing here. BV Roy. So ROY. of Great Britain. BB Roy of Great Britain. So GB, Great Britain, had very good wife. So the synonymous we have to remember. BB Roy of Great Britain had very good wife. B stands for your black. BB, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, grey, white. BB Roy of Great Britain had very good wife. And for tolerance, we have three color: gold, silver, no color. So generally on the body of resistance, four color bands are printed. Looking at that color band, we can understand the value by coding. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 10 raised to 0, 10 raised to 1, 10 raised to 2, 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 4, 10 raised to 5, 10 raised to 6, 10 raised to 7, 10 raised to 8, 10 raised to 9. Tolerance plus or minus 5%, plus or minus 10%, no color plus or minus 20%. Right. Current,
Yes, sir.
when is the date given of this CET exam?
सर डेट ऐसे तो दिया नहीं है, उन लोग बोल रहे मंथ एंड में 24 27 ऐसा कुछ बोल रहे थे।
September?
हाँ नहीं सर, एक सेकंड मैं आपको कंफर्म बताता हूँ,
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
क्योंकि ऑफिशियल डेट तो ऑफिशियली कहीं नहीं आया है।
So tentative what they are saying when the exam they are going to conduct?
जस्ट अ सेकंड सर, वही इमेज ही ओपन कर रहा हूँ।
हाँ.
न्यूज़पेपर scheduled to be 5th September.
Tentative.
Yes sir.
अच्छा अच्छा, because 5th September means 12th को तो इनका एग्जाम है.
सर पर ऑफिशियल डेट का ही नहीं है ये।
अच्छा, so may 5 और आफ्टर दैट ऐसा होगा फिर.
या
Okay. This one written so that I can give you example.
Yes, sir.
We'll check how we can use this color bands to find the value of resistance with example. Suppose this is one resistor which has one color, two color, three color, four color on it. Suppose this is red, green, blue, and gold. So first you should know each color means which code. Red means which code, 1 2 3 4 0, what it is in that series. BB Roy wala 0 1 2 is red, na? Hello, 2 means red.
Yes.
Yes.
And green is 5.
Yeah.
And blue is 6. Gold tolerance plus or minus 5%. So value of resistance will be, first two colors are called significant. So 25 significant digit. Next is 10 raised to power integral multiple. So 10 raised to 6 plus or minus 5%. This many ohms. Right. Done. All are brown, brown, brown. Now tell what will be the value. And last is no color. Then you tell what will be the coding for this. Yes, 2 2. Hello, 2 2.
Yes.
So what will be the value? Can I say 22
Yeah.
into 10 raised to 2 plus or minus 20%? Copy.
So it's 11, right?
Pardon?
It's 11, right? 11 into.
No, B, ha, yes, correct. 11 into 10 raised to 1. Sorry. 1, 1, 1. So 20%. 11 into 10 raised to 1. Written?
Yes.
Today at least theory I will try to complete. Thoda hi hai. What is equivalent resistance in series?
Algebraic sum of the
Equivalent resistance in series is given by Rs equals to R1 plus R2 up to Rn. In parallel, how to get equivalent? 1 upon Rp equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 up to 1 upon Rn in parallel. If two resistances are in parallel, then what? If two resistance are in parallel, then Rp will become product upon sum. Write this way. First point, second, third, fourth. If two equal resistances are in parallel, then Rp equal to R by 2. Copy this 4 points. Return.
yes, sir.
Okay. N cells connected in series. One cell, two cell, N cells are connected in series. All are same EMF and same internal resistance. To supply current to external resistance R, what will be total EMF? Will it be NE? And total resistance will be NR plus capital R. So total current will be NE upon NR plus capital R. Right. Yes, done. Hello.
Yes.
And cells are in parallel. So one cell, another cell, nth cell, they are connected in parallel. This time total EMF will not be NE, with E only, and total resistance will be R by N plus R, because R in parallel is R by N. So this will become R plus NR by N. Current will be total EMF E upon resistance E plus NR upon N. That is NE upon R plus NR. Write this formula, then we'll see if unequal cells are in series parallel, what is the result. Yes, completed. Hello, Veer, completed.
Yes, sir.
Now, two very important concepts. If cells are in series, then they will either assist or oppose each other. If assists, then resultant EMF is sum. If opposes, then resultant EMF is difference. So just check these two, they are assisting or opposing. Are they assisting or opposing? When current is in same direction, then assist. Opposite, then opposing. E will be E1 plus E2 because they are assisting. Correct?
Yes.
And resultant resistance in series is sum. But if opposes, now tell what will be the resultant EMF? E1 minus E2. But resistance won't be difference, it is addition. Copy. Return.
Yes.
Okay. Next one, very important for JEE and JEE exam generally. Two cells are in parallel. Unequal. We want what is resultant EMF and current. E1, R1, E2, R2, current I1, current I2. This is point A, point B. Here current again enters I1, I2. This is current I, current I. What is total current? Can I say I1 plus I2? Total current? Hello? Total
Yes,
current
sir.
is I. Okay. And for this APB, that means upper circuit, battery is E1. Suppose terminal voltage is V. It is supplying current to this circuit. So terminal voltage plus I1 R1 is called EMF E1. This you know. So V will become E1 minus I1 R1. Therefore I1 R1 is E1 minus V. So I1 will be E1 minus V upon R1, first equation. Similarly, I2 will be E2 minus V upon R2. So from 1, I is E1 minus V upon R1 plus E2 minus V upon R2. I want to find effective EMF and resistance when two cells are connected in parallel. Please copy this much, then we'll separate and compare.
Yes.
Okay. Therefore, we can say I equals to I equals to E1 upon R1 minus V upon R1 plus E1 upon R2 minus V upon R2. Therefore, I will become E1 plus E2, sorry, upon R1 upon R2 minus V into 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. So we can say V into 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 will be E1 upon R1 minus E2 upon R2 minus I. So V will become E1 upon R1 plus E2 upon R2, 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2, I upon 1 upon R1 plus R2. So comparing with V is E minus IR, we get E total is E1 by R1 plus E2 by R2. Very important derivation. In two cells in parallel, then total voltage is E1 by R1 plus E2 by R2 upon 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. And R equals to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. 1 upon R equals to R. So R is 1 upon all this. So you can say 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2, 1 by R. So resistance is same as parallel formula, but voltage be careful. Have you followed the second wala formula? R is 1 upon root of this, 1 upon 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Then I cross multiply. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
EMF followed? E1
Yes, sir.
upon R1 plus E2 by R2. भी resistance का एक बार अच्छे से देखो. Resistance will be R equal to 1 upon 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 is 1 by R by cross multiply. This is formula for EMF in parallel and resistance in parallel. Yes, done.
Yes, sir.
Do you know formula for heat developed across resistance?
I square RT.
Very good. Heat developed is I square RT. Other form? Any other form? VIT, na? Or V square upon RT. What is power? It is electrical work upon time. So that is VIT upon time, which is equals to VI or V square by R or I square R. These are three formulas for power and resist and heat. Veer,
Yes, sir.
don't change the pattern of studies of whatever format the exam comes. Because unless until theory is perfect, MCQ has got no meaning.
Yes, sir.
Means they will frame like this only. Power is given by dash dash dash. The same theory only we have to identify na, which one is correct one.
Right.
Okay. Done.
Yes.
So today we'll stop here.